How to scrape website data automatically using ZenRows and Zapier. It's a real use case for digital products. If you have ever wanted accurate data from websites in your niche, not guesses, not assumptions, but real data you can actually use, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how I automated website data scraping using ZenRows and Zapier and how this setup can help you. Research trending ebooks, analyze competitor product listings, design better page schemas, and make smarter decisions for e-commerce or digital products. This is not theory. I'll walk you through exactly what I did, what failed, what worked, and why. Why data scraping matters. Before tools, let's talk why. Most solopreneurs build pages like ebook landing pages, product listings, category pages, based on intuition, random examples, or one competitor. But scraping lets you see what's exactly ranking, extract real product attributes, identify pricing patterns, understand content structure that converts. In my case, I needed accurate information about trending ebooks on other websites to validate ideas for my digital product and affiliate ebook strategy. Manually checking sites not scalable. That's where ZenRows Zapier automation comes in. Step 1. Logging into ZenRows and setting up scraping. First, I logged into ZenRows and provided my website URL to test scraping. ZenRows is useful because it handles anti-bot protections, supports auto-parse, and works smoothly with automation tools like Zapier. I chose the option to automate scraping using Zapier. You do have other options as well. At this stage, ZenRows asks you to set up the Zapier API key integration. Step 2. ZenRows API key plus Zapier integration. Inside ZenRows, I copied the ZenRows API key. Then inside Zapier, I pasted the API key during the ZenRows setup. You don't need custom code here. ZenRows documentation clearly explains how to configure proxy settings, when to enable JavaScript rendering, and how to test requests. Once connected, I moved on to building the actual Zap. Step 3. Creating the Zap trigger setup. My Zap had 3 events. First event was trigger. The tool I used was to schedule by Zapier. I used monthly frequency. Why monthly? Because product trends and ebook listings don't change daily. This is perfect for market research, product validation, niche monitoring. Step 4. ZenRows scrape URL event. Event 2. Scrape URL using ZenRows. Here's where things got interesting. First attempt, I tried scraping a non-search result page. It failed. There was no structured data to extract. Second attempt, I tried books results page on my own Wix website. ZenRows fetched headers but returned Wix placeholder values, no actual dynamic content. This happened because the page was based on Wix dynamic pages and the real data loads differently. This is an important lesson. Not all pages are scrape friendly. Step 5. Switching to Amazon with autoparse. To test properly, I switched to an Amazon books listing URL. Why Amazon? Well-structured listings, consistent data patterns, perfect for testing autoparse. With autoparse enabled, ZenRows automatically detected product titles, prices, ratings, metadata. This time the test worked perfectly. This validated that the integration was correct. The issue earlier was page structure not setup. Step 6. Sending scrape data to Google Sheets. Event 3 was Google Sheets. I created a Google Sheet with headers like product name, price, title, URL, and so on. Then in Zapier, I mapped ZenRows scrape fields with Google Sheet columns. After retesting, data was successfully added to the sheet. Now I had clean, structured, reusable data, perfect for analysis. Real use case was why this matters for your business. Here's how you can use this setup. For digital product creators, identify trending ebook topics, analyze pricing ranges, design better landing page schemas, For e-commerce businesses, scrape competitor product listings, monitor pricing changes, build optimized category pages. For content-driven brands, understand what metadata top pages use to replicate high-intent structures, validate demand before building. In my case, I needed accurate ebook data from other sites to decide what to promote, what to bundle, and what content funnels to build next. So, important limitation. One thing to note was with free ZenRows and free Zapier, you can manually test scraping, but for automated schedule runs, you need to publish the Zap. So, you will need an upgraded Zapier plan, but it's still worth if data is a part of your strategy. So, if you're serious about data driven marketing, smarter product decisions, and building systems instead of guessing, this ZenRows Zapier setup is powerful. If you want more tools like this, check out my digital marketing tools guide, where I break down tools for research, automation, and growth. I'll see you in the next one.